Here we go again. Once more into the wheel of crap. And the Super Nintendo. 268. What wonderful thing awaits us? Oops. At 268. That would be Demolition Man. Okay. Hope this isn't as bad as the one that Spoonie reviewed. Music upwards and upwards. Oh, that's too far. Wonderful. Is this Portal or Demolition Man? I can't tell from this logo. Wow, look at Phoenix's face. He's got the biggest forehead ever. And, I don't remember the fucking cop's name, but he's looking like the Fonz. Hey, go back. I wasn't done there. This looks like it's going to be worse. Lord forbid I let the intro movie stuff play. Have to wait through all this shit again. Okay, shoot, stand, shoot, throw, and jump. Okay, I guess that's fine. I'm gonna go for calm difficulty. I've learned my lesson about that shit. The hell is actions? Stand and shoot. Press the stand shoot button. Then aim with the D-pad. Oh fuck. Alright. Duck and shoot. Break and what? Break? What? No? What? It looks like he's fucking stroking his penis or something there. Roll. With its entire 4 frames of animation. Well done. Throw. Or have a tantrum. Locked shot. Press the jump button, then move with the D-pad to become a midget. Seriously, look. We've got that, and then we've got this. Reverse shoot is also a midget. Okay, I'm not going to remember any of that, so let's just get into this game already. What? Man. It starts you right out, it's like freaking crazy. No! I don't want to be spot- What? There was an enemy right there and I didn't even see him. Alright. I don't have limited ammo or anything, do I? See, this is what Time Cop should have been like. This game is actually playable. I'm not having any issue with this game so far. It actually looks good. It's a little bit mindless, but good. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, look at that. He grabbed right back onto that ledge. That was awesome. Okay, I fell and got hurt a whole lot. Whoa now. Calm down. Calm down just a bit there, Mr. Cop Guy. And I grab onto a ledge and I'm just fine. This is awesome. Alright. And now I'm on this side. And I died from falling 2 feet. After that giant fall that I survived by grabbing onto the ledge, I die after 2 feet. You know what? This game is cool enough to be worth it. Ah, crap, I'm screwed. Okay. Let's try that again. This is so freaking retarded, it's great. I don't think I'm going to play through this entire thing. It's a little bit frantic and chaotic, but it's actually quite fun. I have no problem with this game. Ah, what the? Do I have speed on or something? I was kind of going fast there for a second. What's in this box? There has to be something in crates. I got a something. I don't know what it is, but it's something. Let's just shoot the C4 here. Oh, I can't shoot through this wall. Whatever. I don't remember all these people being in the movie. Okay, it won't blow up. Whatever. Let's just casually jump our way through all these enemies. Okay, those blow up quite nicely right there. Where the hell am I now? Over here again? God damn it. So, let's see. We've got... I don't know how to do the roll. Okay, we were just supposed to run away here. I guess that was Phoenix. Whatever. Well, we beat level 1. I guess that's a good thing. What the hell's going on here? Oh, it's the frozen people. I guess this is the point where Phoenix lets them out. Or something. Oh no, that was the beginning of the movie. I just got froze and then I'm unfroze into the future here. Okay, I know what's going on.